The Mr. Coffee Smart Coffee Maker, enabled by WeMo, lets you brew from anywhere, so you can enjoy fresh coffee with optimal taste. You're in control, even when you're not in the kitchen. You can brew from your bed and know when your coffee is hot and fresh. Set a schedule, change settings, or check if the coffee maker is ready to brew. Just like that, make life a little easier from wherever you are. Brew the smart way with the Mr. Coffee brand and WeMo. WeMo-enabled smart appliances provide the simple convenience of managing your home remotely, making life easier, simpler, better. Your home at your fingertips.